Feliz Navidad. So many sweets. So many sweets everywhere. Chocolate mug cake. I like to make messes, cause duh. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Yes, I do my own sound effects. Hola familia. Busy mommy here again, and now it's the end of the year, and I would typically go Feliz Navidad right now because it's Christmas time and there are so many sweets everywhere. And here I am trying to start my 2021 resolution early. It's very difficult right before the holidays. So this is one of my favorite sweet treats that you can try to see if it helps curb that sweet tooth. Now, I think it's similar to a kind of like a brownie cake. It's more cakey than chewy, and it's really good, but it's a chocolate mug cake. And it's really simple to make, all in about 5 minutes, which is awesome. So let's get started. You ready? Here's what you're gonna need. Almond flour, kosher salt, Himalayan salt, whatever you want, just a pinch of salt, baking powder. You need 2 types of sugar for what I do, but you can just stick with one if you want. I like to top with the confectioner's sugar as well, but I use these 2 types of sugar, my unsweetened cocoa powder, fancy kind, because I'm extra. Then some heavy cream, some butter, some cream cheese, and you. So once you have those ingredients together, we can get started. Now, very quick, very easy to do. The first thing you're gonna do is make sure you move everything out of your way because I like to make messes. Just kidding. You're gonna do half a tablespoon of butter into your mug. This is actually a Busy Mommy mug that was made to me, or for me, by my friend Michelle, who actually threw the clay and made this mug by hand. Like, this whole thing, first of all, super sturdy, but it was made by hand. How cool is that? She put in the design and then she put Busy Mug. Anyway, sorry, I collect mugs. I have a problem. So we're gonna microwave this for about 40 seconds, and you're gonna let that go, and then we're gonna swirl it around like we typically do. So while that happens, I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor. Can you please like, subscribe, and comment below with other dessert treats or anything that you want me to make, because back on the kick, gotta get it going. So let's do it together. Let me know. Still need some time. I obviously don't know how to judge time. That's what the timer's for. But my husband will tell you as he goes insane that I don't actually put the exact time on the microwave. I kind of just always hit 30 seconds twice and then stop it before it's ready. But that's me. 40 seconds went by. This time I cleared the microwave. Haha. And you're going to swirl your butter all around. Swirl it around nice and coated. Fantastic. Also, I don't know if I need to say this, but please make sure your mugs are microwave safe. Not all mugs are made equally. Not all mugs are made for the microwave. So now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. This makes it a little bit easier. I just use a spoon like this, but you can use my measurements. My measurements and this whole recipe will be on my website, busymommy.com. You'll be able to get it there if you want, but you're gonna add your almond flour and spill it everywhere, because duh. So I got this new table and I love it, but it has wood grain in it, so it gets everything stuck. Then we're gonna do 1 spoon of cocoa powder. I think that's enough for me. It turns out pretty chocolatey. I don't think you need more than that, but you can feel free to add more if you want to. Just play with it. This is, as always, I think recipes are very fluid. You can do whatever you want to make them more your way, because that's what they're there for. All right, so we're gonna add our confectioner's sugar, which was half of a spoon of this. Then I'm gonna add 1 full spoon of the regular sugar, a little bit more. And you're just gonna mix all these dried ingredients together. Once I get a little bit of a good mix, I'm gonna throw in my baking powder, which, did I lose another? Oh, I was like, I had another spoon. You're gonna do about 1/4 teaspoon. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of your favorite cream cheese. I like to add it now while everything is powdery, because it kind of, the heat from the mug lets me mix it all together and make it into like this. See? Okay, so that is all mixed together. Looks like kind of a clump, which is what you want. Then you're gonna add your egg, which I forgot to mention in the beginning. Sorry, but there's an egg in it. All right, so now we're gonna add our egg. Get rid of our shell. And we're just gonna mix it all together until it starts to get combined. It's gonna take a minute. You'll be fine. Keep mixing. It looks like just eggs on top of chocolate, but I promise it'll look like batter soon. Like to take it off. You can use a whisk, but I feel like whisks get in the way. If you have a better way to mix into these mugs, let me know. I'd love to know. And also you should comment with what other mug cakes I should make. I was actually thinking about doing an apple pie, not a mug cake, but an apple pie like strudel kind of thing, because you can use chayote as an apple substitute. I know, which I don't know if you know what chayote is. It's like a squash. Let me just get rid of this. It's a Spanish squash. I don't know if it's Spanish, but we use it in a lot of our soups. And I love chayote, and it really doesn't have much of a flavor, but you can really make it taste like anything. Anyway, okay, beside the point. So here is your batter. It looks very mixed together, very good, very ready to go. I'm gonna add an extra dash of heavy cream. I think it helps a little bit, thicken it and tighten it up a little bit, but only very little amount. Like literally that was just, I would say definitely less than half a tablespoon, which I put in my recipe, so you can have a little bit less or a little bit more, but see this? That's what you want. All right. All right. Microwave for 90 seconds. Did you get 90 seconds with me now? Not really, we'll probably fast forward a little bit, but remember to like, subscribe, and comment. All right, let's let it cook. I'm gonna put this stuff away. Look at that, it's so beautiful. 1 minute and 30 seconds. And you have an, like I just got goosebumps from how good that smells. You guys need them, literally 5 minutes. You probably have all these ingredients in your fridge and in your pantry. To be honest with you, the reason why, I'm gonna let it cool for a second. We can still talk. The reason why I like this sugar that I use is it doesn't have as much of an aftertaste. I do have other types of sugar like erythritol, but I think the cooling effect of the erythritol, oh wow, okay, well that's gonna be a clip now, I already know. Anyway, so I try to find sugars that don't give me that aftertaste flavor, because it's like a turnoff, right? You're like, you know, you're already not having an actual chocolate cake, right? So let's flip it out onto our plate. Okay, so there's 2 ways to do it, right? You can do it this way if you want to be cool. There it is. It's pretty all on its own. It's puffy, it's delicious. You can do this in like a mason jar as well, but since we have it, it's so pretty. Yes, I do my own sound effects, just so you know. I do a lot of sound effects because who's gonna do them for me? All right, now, I'm me, so I can't just have it be like normal. So I'm gonna top it with some of this confectioner sugar. It's like winter wonderland. Look at that. I'm dreaming of some white powder on my chocolate cake. That's it. You did it. You made a chocolate cake. Now you can eat this right away. You can let it sit and cool down a little bit. There's really no point in waiting, to be honest with you. We should just try it now. What do you think? Yes? No? Okay. The time has come for one and all. I'm old. That's the song from A League of Their Own. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that movie, but anyway. All right, let's try it. Are you ready? All right, so I cut into it. Nice and fluffy. And you know what I love about this is it's not eggy. It doesn't taste eggy. It's a little warm. Look. No aftertaste, chocolatey flavor, delicious, and like 3.5 net carbs. I mean, how could you not want to eat this. And it takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then you're good to go. I love the chocolatey flavor that comes out from it. The fact that it's moist still. A lot of people don't like that word, but you know what? That's the only way to describe a cake and a turkey. I'm sorry. And I love that it is fluffy, delicious, and honestly, I don't miss the regular thing. So, as always, I love all of you. I'm here for 2021. Let's go. We're gonna start back on keto. Keto light. We're gonna do some dirty keto stuff. We're gonna do some low carb stuff. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna throw in some family recipes this year as well. And you know what? Let's do it together. So if you didn't yet, because I've asked you like 3 times, hello, if you can please like this video, subscribe, feel free to comment. I would love to hear what you think. Love all of you. Hope to see you next time. And from me to you, peace, love, and keto. Adios. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this, so bye. Instead of peace, love, and keto, I was gonna say, I wrote, enjoy this chocolatey goodness from your favorite busy mommy, Alejandra. Your favorite busy mommy. There are no other busy mommies. I am the only one. There can be only one. Don't make me use the force on you. Because I will. Oh my gosh, you guys can make me videos saying, busy mommy, you're my only hope. That would make me, I'm such a geek. That would make me so excited. So if you follow me on TikTok, you should do that. I would love it. All right. Okay, cut it. Go home. It's like Ferris Bueller. Why are you watching this still? Go make it. How are you going to know how good it is if you don't make it? Bye.